We decided a long time ago that we wanted to know who was going in and out. Contracted vendors, contracted cleaners, you just don't get to know who those people are. So we're in a position where we've assembled a team of really hundreds of people who clean condos, and they're on our payroll, and we know their name, and they're e-verified, and they work in an environment where they get their assignments in the morning and they show up and they do this work. And so by owning the whole process, we know who's going in and out of the doors. We know where the towels were washed because we washed them ourselves in our own hot water, and we know that they were clean and that they weren't mixed in with properties from 5 other hotels. By owning that stuff and by employing those people, it puts us in a position where we're able to go for premium at every level.
Property care encompasses all of our housekeeping, quality assurance, and laundry teams. Our whole job is to clean the dirty and fix the broken. We have tons of housekeepers, quality assurance inspectors, and then we have people who work in laundry, all full-time employees. And we have a program called Clean Bed Promise, and that means that every linen, every time, in every unit is changed and cleaned and laundered.
The housekeeping team has been wonderful. I feel like the person doing the housekeeping now almost has a personal connection to the units because it's not formed out to a different company or a different group every week. So I feel like there's just a lot of consistency.
We are responsible for the broken and the dirty, and every time we enter a property, we are committed to fixing the broken and the dirty. We use commercial grade cleaning products. We sanitize every surface, disinfect, from top to bottom, front to back. We can stand behind our Clean Bed Promise because we change every linen, every quilt, sham, sheet, pillowcase, towel, everything, every time. And we have trained our housekeepers to have that eye. But for the first 10 minutes, we are inspectors, we're maintenance, and we're housekeeping. We go around the property and we're checking for anything missing, broken, damaged, out of place. And then we have a software system where we report all that back, and it prepares our maintenance teams and inspection team, puts everybody on a heads up so we can get everything done in a 2-hour time frame.
If somebody were to say, what do you like the most about Liquid Life? It's really their maintenance department. They keep a lot of people that can fix the problems themselves, and if they can't, then they know all the plumbers, they know all the air conditioner people, and they get it done.
We do about 900 work orders a week. It's 24/7. We always have someone on call. So if something happens 3 o'clock in the morning, we can get somebody out there to take care of it. We fix toilets, we fix sinks, we fix refrigerators, we fix ovens, stoves, anything that's broken in that unit, 9 times out of 10, we're gonna try to fix it. If we can't fix it, we will get a contractor out to fix it.
I walk into my units randomly whenever I get an opportunity, and they always surprise me at how clean they are. I have owned properties all over the United States and a few internationally, and they go a step further than what I've been traditionally used to in the past, and I really appreciate them for that.
That's what I need in my life, is something that's going well that I don't have to put my hands on and deal with.
Taking care of people is easy if you really want to do it. We clean it, we fix it, we maintain it. That's what we do here at Liquid Life.